And good evening everyone. This is Group 5 and we are here to present our HS101 presentation. The topic of our presentation is machine learning. Now you can see a content plan and now you can meet our team members Khalilul Rahman, Nilesh Paple, Prakash Shukla, Rohit M, Shaurya Kumar Gupta. So now, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. Over the last couple of decades, the technological advances in storage and processing power have enabled some of the innovative products based on machine learning, such as Netflix recommendation engine and self-driving cars. Machine learning is an important component of the growing field of data. And now, handing over the presentation.
So hello everyone, my name is Dekhapale and I would like to present to you the topic machine learning development timeline. So in 1950s, simple algorithms were introduced. In 1960s, Bayesian method was introduced. In 1970s, AI winter was caused by pessimism. In 1980s, resurgence was done in machine learning research. In 1990s, the data-driven method was used. In 2020, support vector clustering was done, and in 2010, the deep learning was popularized. Next, we will move to machine learning types. So there are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So first, supervised learning. Learning is classified based upon its uses. So first is fraud detection, image spam detection, diagnostics, and image classification. Its regressive use is in risk assessment and score prediction. Unsupervised learning is classified based upon its uses in text mining, data visualization, face detection, and voice detection. It is regressively used in city planning and targeted marketing. The reinforcement learning is used in following fields in finances, manufacturing, stock management, and autonomous cars. Next, we will move to machine learning models. So the first machine learning model is artificial neural network. Artificial neural networks mimics a network of neurons just like in our brain. Decision trees are a tree-like model of decision and their possible outcomes. Support vector machines are supervised learning models with associated learning algorithms. Regression analysis is the method to model the relation tree between dependent and independent variables. Bayesian network is probabilistic graphical models. Genetic algorithms is a method for solving both constrained and unconstrained optimization problems. Thank you. And now I would like to hand over next point our group members.
These are the objective of machine learning. The first objective is classify data. It is to discover pattern in your data. And the second one is to make prediction. Prediction based on our patterns. This is the process of machine learning. The first process is to collect the data. The second process is to prepare the data and then we have to train a model. And after that we have to evaluate the model and then we do the improvement. So artificial intelligence is the superset. Artificial intelligence include machine learning and machine learning include deep learning. Artificial intelligence, it is the way in which computer can be made to copy the way human think. Machine learning is used in development of computer systems that are able to learn and adapt without following explicit instructions. Deep learning, it is a technique to perform machine learning inspired by our brain networks of neurons.
Now let's look into few advantages and disadvantages of machine learning. Few advantages of machine learning are efficient data managing, continuous improvement in the field, and lot of applications like self-driving car and etc. Trend identification and pattern identification. Now let's look into disadvantages. Data acquisition, and it takes lot of time and space to develop an AI. It's There is a high possibility of occurrence of error, and selection of algorithm is very difficult. Now let's look into the difference between machine learning and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is computer acts on their own. They act according to environment. Systems display cognitive ability. Computers make decisions. When we talk about machine learning, it's an application of AI. Computers observe and analyze, predict based on previous patterns, and these are pre-programmed algorithms. Here are some machine learning languages which you can use to program a machine to learn by on its own. You can use Java, Shell, Python, Julia, C++, R, and as well as JavaScript.
Hello guys, I am Saurya Kumar Gupta, and the real life example of machine learning are traffic prediction. Second one is social media services, virtual personal assistant, email spam filtering, image recognition, and product recommendation. Here, social media services, in social media, you see the different type of products is recommended on different accounts. It processes your previous data and your assessment of your personal data. On the basis of that, that recommends that the different types of products, and the image recognition is that type the of using machine learning. Any image, if we select a car, then through machine learning, that it processes the vehicle that has a four tires and the shape of the car, color, and the model. On the basis of that, machine learning predicts the which type of car is that. The real life example are like fourth one, email spam filtering. In email spam filtering, the in email box, there is a feature that if you spam any message, that will be block your inbox from that subscribed mail. So through using machine learning, these all types of examples are very effectful in our daily life. Machine learning applications. Now there are some different machine learning applications. Spam filtering, mobile banking, risk assessment, social networks. Spam filtering detect unsocialized, unwanted, and virus-infected emails. Mobile banking, how banks are using mobile to deliver a personalized customer experience. Risk assessment, BP neutral network, K nearest neighbors, KNN, support vector machine, SVM, and link prediction, friend suggestion, community, clustered identification, trend analysis, sentiment analysis. Now in spam filtering, I have also told you in previous slide, in email, a feature available called spam messages. Through machine learning, you can select a subscribed channel. You can report as a spam messages, and that will be block the all upcoming messages from that subscribed channel, or that from that subscribed company. So using spam filtering, that is the virus infected mails or you unwanted mails, of course, detected unsocialized. In mobile banking nowadays, bank are using mobile banking. How bank are using mobile to deliver a personalized computer experience? The all banking experiences are using your recommendations, your previous data on your basis of choices, on your basis of experiences. They customize your on your data. They customize your recommendation on the basis of your data.
Why is machine learning important to the society? Machine learning is not an alien term anymore. One of the biggest boons that technology has given the world today is that of machine learning. Right from reducing human interaction to reducing the number of time efforts consumed in doing a certain job. The list of machine learning benefits is never ending. The fact that machine learning has just not made our lives easy but also changed the way of living in many ways that cannot be denied. The machines of current era are nothing like what existed a few decades ago. These machines are smart and trained on massive datasets, thereby minimizing the chances of error. The technological advancement, the amount of data released every day through every possible medium is more than sufficient to build great use cases for analysis. For instance, if you pick any general machine learning tutorial, the first thing that they will teach you today is about the availability of data and its management. And also these are some prime examples of machine learning in a society. Some self-driving car. Most of the people call self-driving cars are an overhyped aspect of machine learning, but the fact is that is the future. This is the blessing for all those people who don't like to drive or cannot due to medical or physical issues. Moreover, drink and drives would reduce, rash driving would too. The kind of impact this would have in the future would be to watch for healthcare industry. Right from Apple Watch that gives an ECG report to other gadget that does detect blood sugar levels, eruptive heartbeats or abnormalities in breathing. Machine learning concepts in the world of healthcare are sure are not just impacting living lives but saving them as well. Public safety. Heard of FBI, Pentagon, RAW, etc.? These and the other enforcement intelligence agencies across the globe are adopting technologies that help them prevent crime and neutralize threat. A lot of their tools are based on the concept of AI and machine learning, and thereby empowering these officers in their mission to keeping public safety. Retail sector. Right from e-commerce website you browse to shop to the OTT platforms such as Netflix and Prime Video, there is hardly a channel that doesn't use machine learning to provide the best option to buy or and watch to its clients. Price optimization, market campaigns, advertising, space profiling, etc. are some of the learning applications prominently used by the retail sector. The future of the information. The truth is that there is a lot of data and a lot of it, and it would take a superhuman, basically a machine, to make sense of this data. We hardly know what the future would bring, but one thing we can stay assured of is the fact that technology such as machine learning would continue to make a difference in our lives. Now, handing over the
Why machine learning? Yeah, yeah, if you have a curious mind, you can think that why machine learning is so effective. Because in machine learning, 60% extracting better quality information. In machine learning, the quality information is very, very much better than the anyone like AI or anything. 48% increasing productivity and speed in processes. Like we know through nowadays the processing speed is very, very effective in IT companies or in IT sector. So 48% increasing productivity and speed in processes. Speed in processes is very, very important, in IT company, in IT sector. Now 46% reducing cost. Yeah, this is a very helpful for society. And 31% extracting more value from data. Oh, this is also a very valuable feature in machine learning. From your previous data, from your experiences, uh, from your daily to daily data, extracting more value from your data. So that's why machine learning is so important nowadays. References. Yeah, these all data are collected from the Google, from sciencedirected.com, www.scalar.com, from techwiththeone.com, or http//eleks.com. All the data of slides are through these links. Acknowledgement. On the behalf of our group, I would like to express our special thank of gratitude to Professor Dr. Vikas Kumar, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this project on the topic of machine learning. It helped us in doing a lot of research, and we came to know about a lot of things related to this topic. Finally, we would also like to thank my friends who helped me a lot in finalize this project within a limited time frame. Thank you guys. Thank you, sir. I hope you like this presentation.